Welcome to my Vedic Maths classes. In today's Vedic Math Multiplication class, we will learn how to multiply two-digit numbers whose units place are same and tens place add to 10. So let us take a look at few examples. So here is our first example, 42 times 48. Now we can see over here tens places are same, that is 4, whereas units place add to 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. So that satisfies our condition. So whenever we have this kind of condition, what we do, we just multiply in one line, and here you can see we have 4 in the tens place, so multiply 4 by 5, so we get 20, and multiply the digits at the units place, so we get 16. 2 times 8 is 16, and tens place you have 4, so multiply tens place digit by next digit, so 4 times 5 is 20. Similarly, let us take a look at another example. 7 plus 3 is 10, and tens place each is 3, so tens place digits are same and units place digit add to 10, that is 7 plus 3 is 10. So this again satisfies our condition. So we will multiply 3 by 4 and we get 12, 3 by its next digit 4 and we will get 12, and multiply the numbers at units place, that is 7 and 3, that gives us 21. So our answer is 1221. Similarly, at this place, example 3, you can see we have the similar situation. So tens place is 6, so multiply 6 by 7, you get 42, and multiply the digits at unit place 1 and 9, so you multiply 1 and 9 and you get 9. Since 9 is a single digit number, so you have to add 09 in the answer. So your answer becomes 4209. Similarly, in this case, 44 times 46, so 4 times 5 is 20, and 6 times 4 is 24. So your answer becomes 2024. I hope my explanations are clear so far. So here are some practice questions. There are 5 questions. You solve it yourself and write the answer in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you liked it, please do share it and subscribe the channel. If you want to attend online classes, you can go to my website scientutors.in, and this is my Facebook page also. We conduct various classes for SAT, GRE, GMAT, test prep, for Olympiad mathematics, for maths, all boards and science. So you can always get in touch on Facebook page or my website. Thanking you once again. See you in the next class.